Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a macro pad that I recently picked up from Market, and that is the BDN9 Rev 2. Now this is a 3x3 9-key macro pad that has a rotary encoder and RGB. Now I picked this up for around $20 on Market, but I'll be leaving the link in the description below. And the cool thing about this macro pad is it has QMK support, and I believe it also has VIA support as well. Now for me personally, I couldn't really get the VIA support to work well, but I just changed the keys through QMK's website, and then I downloaded that file and then flashed it into QMK Toolbox. Now this macro pad is only soldered. I believe there is no hot swap variant. So the cool thing is, not only will you get a macro pad out of this, but if you ever wanted to learn how to solder, I think this is a really good entry level because it's very affordable and there aren't that many solders that you have to worry about considering there's only 9 keys. So what did I get? Basically all you get is the little square, 4 standoffs, 4 screws, and then the PCB. If you bought this and you didn't know how to build it or where to start, they actually have a video on their website showing you like a stop motion build process that you can follow just so you can get it correct. My variant only goes for $31 if you bought it from the website, but since I bought it off of Market, it's a bit cheaper. But if you wanted the black acrylic clays with the frosted mid layer, that's an extra $20, so you're looking at around $40. And if you wanted a rotary encoder knob, you can also get that as well, so you can use that for volume and stuff like that. So there are plenty of options and plenty of customizability with this macro pad to fit your needs. I think it's especially good for anybody who needs one, or for like streamers or YouTubers that maybe just need a small macro pad to do some functions or something. So the reason why I bought this macro pad and the reason why I think it's a very good option for my setup and for what I want to do is because I want to get into streaming, but I don't really want to show my face because I don't have a good webcam, and I wanted it to keep it on brand. So I made my YouTube profile picture into an animated picture, right? So whenever my mouth opens or whenever I'm talking and the mic picks it up, the cat mouth will open up. And I wanted to have different faces as well. So I added a new layer which will make it towards where the mouth will open and close, but it'll be like a laughing face. I had to get a macro pad so I could have those extra keys so it wouldn't interfere with whatever game I'm playing. So I assigned the 2 keys that I wanted to use to F21 and F22 because I know that almost no game that I can ever think of actually uses those keys in game. So I felt like that was the best strat to do. Now this does have a bunch of RGB modes and brightness. Like this macro pad is very bright when you want it to get bright. So overall, I think this macro pad is a very good option if you're looking for something that's sort of on the budget side, that has a bunch of customization and has just everything you can think of for that price. And I think it does everything very well. It's very simple, it's very small, and I think the video tutorial that they have on their website helps out a lot for beginners like me. So I'll be leaving a link to this in the description below, but I do recommend checking out Market to see if you can find it for even cheaper. Other than that, I just wanted to say I'll probably start streaming very soon, so I'll be leaving my Twitch in the description below for you guys to follow. I'll just be playing video games and we can talk about keyboards or anything technology or just anything in general in the chat. So feel free to hang out with me, it'll just be very fun. Other than that, let me know what you guys think about this macro pad in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.